Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious kimchi using Indian cabbage. First, select about 2 pounds of fresh Indian cabbage, also known as pointed cabbage. Quarter it lengthwise, then chop it into 2-inch pieces. Next, prepare a brining solution with 1/4 cup of salt and 4 cups of water. Submerge the cabbage in this solution and let it sit for 2 hours to soften. Now let's create the vibrant kimchi paste. In a bowl, combine 1/4 cup of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with 2 tablespoons of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of grated ginger. Then, stir in 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/2 cup of water. Finally, add 1/4 cup of chopped green onions and 2 tablespoons of shredded carrots for extra flavor and texture. After 2 hours, thoroughly rinse your brined cabbage under cold water and ensure it's well rained. Now comes the fun part. Gently massage the prepared kimchi paste into all the cabbage pieces. Make sure every piece is evenly coated with that delicious mixture. Once combined, tightly pack the kimchi into a clean, airtight jar, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top for fermentation. To begin fermentation, leave your jar of kimchi at room temperature for 1 to 2 days. You might see some bubbles, which is a good sign. After this initial period, transfer the jar to your refrigerator. This will slow down the fermentation process and keep your kimchi fresh for several weeks. Enjoy your delicious homemade Indian cabbage kimchi as a flavorful side dish or a versatile ingredient in many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.